Welcome to Techno Trend Zone. Photography is more than just capturing moments. It's about storytelling, creativity, and precision. The right camera can make all the difference, whether you're a professional photographer, a filmmaker, or a hobbyist looking for high-quality images. Enter the Fujifilm X-Pro 4, a powerhouse that redefines expectations in the photography world. Packed with cutting-edge technology, impressive autofocus, and exceptional film simulation modes, this camera delivers a seamless shooting experience tailored for those who demand the best. In this in-depth article, we'll explore everything that makes the X-Pro 4 a game-changer, from its outstanding image quality to its versatility and durability. This guide will help you understand why this camera is creating waves among professionals and enthusiasts alike. The challenge of choosing the right camera. With countless options available, selecting the right camera can be daunting. Photographers and videographers often struggle to find a device that balances image quality, portability, and functionality. Many cameras offer high resolution but compromise on speed, while others excel in autofocus but struggle in low-light conditions. The search for the perfect all-in-one camera seems never-ending. Fujifilm understands these challenges, and with the X-Pro 4, they have crafted a camera that meets the demands of both photographers and filmmakers. Whether you're capturing stills on the streets or shooting cinematic videos, this model brings reliability and flexibility to the forefront. Versatility and performance. A great camera should adapt to different shooting conditions, and the X-Pro 4 stands out by delivering exceptional performance across various scenarios. Whether you're a travel photographer needing something compact or a filmmaker requiring a high-quality video tool, this camera is designed to handle it all. One of the standout features is its hybrid autofocus system, which ensures accurate and fast focusing no matter the subject. Whether it's a fast-moving athlete or a detailed macro shot, the X-Pro 4 captures it effortlessly. Additionally, its weather-sealed body makes it a reliable companion in different environments, from scorching deserts to misty mountains. Portability, without compromise. For photographers on the go, carrying a bulky camera can be frustrating. The X-Pro 4 offers portability without sacrificing performance. Its compact and lightweight design makes it an ideal choice for street photographers, journalists, and travelers. Despite its small form factor, it houses top-tier technology. The rangefinder-style body not only looks stylish, but also provides a more immersive shooting experience. It feels comfortable in hand, allowing photographers to capture moments effortlessly without drawing too much attention. Superior image quality with the X-Trans sensor. The heart of any camera lies in its sensor, and Fujifilm has equipped the X-Pro 4 with an impressive 26.1 MP X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor. This sensor delivers exceptional sharpness and clarity, better noise reduction in low-light conditions, accurate color reproduction, enhanced dynamic range. What makes this sensor special is its ability to eliminate moire without requiring an optical low-pass filter. This results in images with more depth, detail, and realism. Additionally, Fujifilm's renowned color science ensures that every shot is rich, vibrant, and true to life. Autofocus and video capabilities. Autofocus plays a crucial role in modern cameras, and Fujifilm has significantly improved this feature in the X-Pro 4. The hybrid autofocus system combines phase detection and contrast detection to provide fast and precise focusing even in challenging conditions like low light or fast motion. The X-Pro 4 locks onto subjects effortlessly. For videographers, the camera is equally impressive. It supports 4K recording with 10-bit 4:2:2 output, allowing for greater color depth and post-production flexibility. The ability to shoot cinematic quality videos makes this camera an excellent choice for filmmakers looking for a compact yet powerful tool. Build quality and durability. Fujifilm is known for its high-quality craftsmanship, and the X-Pro 4 is no exception. The camera is built with magnesium alloy, ensuring durability while keeping it lightweight. It is also weather-sealed, making it resistant to dust, moisture, and extreme temperatures. This rugged design allows photographers to shoot in challenging environments without worrying about damage. Whether you're photographing landscapes in the rain or filming in dusty conditions, the X-Pro 4 is built to withstand the elements. Low-light performance, shooting in the dark. Low-light photography is a challenge for many cameras, but the X-Pro 4 excels in dim conditions. Its wide ISO range ensures excellent performance even in near-dark environments. Unlike many competitors, it maintains sharpness and detail without introducing excessive noise. For street photographers and night shooters, this means capturing stunning images, even after sunset. The improved autofocus system also functions well in low light, ensuring that subjects remain sharp and well-defined. Film simulation modes, bringing creativity to life. One of Fujifilm's signature features is its film simulation modes, which allow photographers and videographers to achieve stunning color profiles straight out of the camera. These modes mimic classic film stocks, giving images a unique look without requiring post-processing. Popular modes include Classic Chrome, muted tones for a cinematic feel. Velvia, vibrant colors for landscapes. Acros, high-contrast black and white photography. Eterna, perfect for cinematic video footage. With these options, photographers can experiment with different styles and moods without spending hours editing. Adaptability in different shooting scenarios. The X-Pro 4 is a versatile companion for all types of photography. Portrait photography produces stunning skin tones with natural depth. Street photography, compact, discreet, and fast autofocus for capturing spontaneous moments. Landscape photography delivers incredible detail and dynamic range. Videography shoots 4K with impressive color depth and stabilization. Whether you're a professional or an enthusiast, this camera adapts to your needs, making it a reliable tool for all kinds of creative work. Conclusion: why the Fujifilm X-Pro 4 is a game changer. The Fujifilm X-Pro 4 is more than just a camera. It's a tool designed for storytellers, professionals, and creatives who demand the best. It combines superior image quality, fast autofocus, excellent video capabilities, and a rugged yet portable design. With features that cater to both photography and videography, it stands out as a game-changing device in the industry. If you're looking for a camera that delivers unmatched performance and versatility, the X-Pro 4 should be at the top of your list. Whether you're capturing fleeting moments on the streets or producing cinematic masterpieces, this camera empowers you to push the boundaries of creativity. What are your thoughts on the Fujifilm X-Pro 4? Share your opinions in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates on the latest camera technology.